Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Sharon Roshan, your teacher from Trinity International School. Today we'll be learning chapter 45, Child Artist. So identify this child artist and write their names. Use the clue blocks for answers. So we'll just read out the first question here. He works in television and films and is known for his roles in the film Dhoom 3 and historical drama television show Chakravarti Ashoka Samrat. So answer for this is Siddharth Nigam. Write down. He is a Canadian actor who made his film debut for the live action animated film The Smurfs 2. 2013. His breakout performance was in Room 2015, for which he received critical acclaim. So answer for this is Jacob Tremblay. Question number 3. He is an Indian American child actor selected for the role of Mowgli among thousands who auditioned across the globe. So third answer is Neil Sethi. Question 4. He has won the national award as the best actor in the child artist category for the film I Am Kalam. I Am Kalam. The fourth answer is Harsh Mayer. Question number 5. He is best known for his role as Timothy Green in the 2012 film The Odd Life of Timothy Green, which earned him the Young Artist Award for Best Leading Actor, age 10 and under. The fifth answer is C.J. Adams. Question 6. He is best known for his roles in The Pursuit of Happiness 2006, The Karate Kid 2010 and After Earth 2013. He is the son of the actor Will Smith and Jada Pinkett Smith. Answer 6 is Jaden Smith. Question number 7. She played the role of a mute girl from Pakistan who got lost in India and traveled back to her homeland with the help of an Indian Brahmin. The answer is Harshali Malhotra. This Academy Award nominated actress has starred in multiple films including Maggie, Little Miss Sunshine and many more, and is also the author of a published book. Answer 8 is Abigail Bursley. Now we'll move to the page number 66, Q&A Express. Hashtag Q&A Express. The first question here is, who wrote the line, "A thing of a beauty is a joy forever"? Answer for this is John Keats. Second question, which former Prime Minister published the autobiography The Path to the Power in 1995? Answer for this is Margaret Thatcher. Question 3. Which was the first talkie film of India? Third is Alam Ara. Fourth, the book Diplomatic Encounter has been written by which author? Fourth is Arundhati Roy. Fifth, which musician is often referred to as the fifth battle? Fifth is Peter Beast. Pete Best. You can spell it like this: Pete, then capital BEST. Okay. Sixth question: in which city does the story make way for ducklings take place? Sixth is Boston. Seventh, which book is about a stuffed bear who goes on an adventure in department store? Seventh is Corduroy. Eighth, who painted the most famous painting, the Mona Lisa? Eighth is Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, the spelling is Leonardo, then DA, then Vinci. Okay. What is the appropriate art term for color? That is hue, HUE. Last question: who sang the 1980s hit song Billie Jean? That is Michael Jackson. So now we'll learn chapter number 46, sport and places. Okay, so there are some clues relating to well-known places. Use the clue to answer the questions. The first question here is: it is the magnificent temple complex of Cambodia. This temple is dedicated to the Hindu god Vishnu. Answer for this is, the first answer is Angkor Wat. Question second: located in Maharashtra, it is famous for the cave temples and architecture. Kailash temple is situated here. Second answer is Ellora. Question 3: the picturesque island country located in Indian Ocean with an area of just 300 km and capital at Male. Third answer is Maldives. The traditional headquarters of cricket and scene of some of the game's most compelling moments, it is located in London. Answer fourth is Lord's. Fifth question is: it is a hill station on the Aravalli range in Rajasthan and is famous for Dilwara Jain temple. Fifth answer is Mount Abu. Question number 6: the Samadhi of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, is located on the banks of river Yamuna in Delhi. Answer 6 is Raj Ghat. Then question 7: it is an open ground attached to the Kremlin in Moscow and is used for procession and demonstration. Seventh answer is Red Square. Question 8: the world's best known postal address in London and the residence of the British Prime Minister. Eighth answer is Downing Street. Then question number 9: the financial nerve center of the global scripts trading. It is a street in the southern section of Manhattan in New York City. Ninth answer is Wall Street. Question number 10: it is a big clock installed in 1859 on the tower of British Parliament House building in London, that is Big Ben. Chapter number 47: world's famous cities. So here read the clues and guess the name of these famous cities. Okay, the first is Dash, capital of England, situated on the River Thames, a great industrial and commercial center, that is London. Second is dash a port of a California. The famous film industry of a Hollywood is established here, known as the cinema city of the world. Second answer is Los Angeles. Third, dash capital of Italy. It is 27 kilometers from the Mediterranean Sea as the river Tiber. The Vatican, the headquarters of the Pope, has been here since the Middle Ages. Third answer is Rome. Fourth, dash one of Europe's most attractive cities. It is a port on the river Seine. It is the chief cultural center and seat of a government and also the leading industrial city in France. The fourth answer is Paris. Fifth, dash it is the business and cultural capital of USA. A major port and industrial center and the chief port of entry on the Atlantica, that is New York. Now we learn the chapter number 48, inspiring souls. Okay, so many people with physical disabilities have contributed on the society and achieved success in their lives. Can you identify and name these inspiring souls? So let's just go through it. The first question, he was kicked out of school because he was too dumb. He had trouble with words and speaking. He became deaf at the age of 14. He overcame his dialysis and went on to the patent more than 1,000 inventions, including the electric bulb. The first answer is Thomas Edison. Question number 2. She was an author, political activist, and lecturer. People thought she would not be able to do anything like normal people do. She was the first deaf-blind person to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree. She is a role model to many deaf people in the world. The answer second is Helen Keller. Question number 3. He was English author and poet. He became blind at the age of 43. He went on to create his most famous epic, Paradise Lost. The third answer is John Milton. Question number 4. He was a famous Spanish painter. At the age of 46, he became completely deaf after suffering from an unknown malady. He went on to create the most famous Spanish art of the 19th century. The fourth answer is Francisco de Goya. Question number 5. He was an American statesman and political leader who served as the 32nd President and the United States. He was diagnosed with an infantile paralysis, better known as a polio, at the age of 39. Fifth answer is Franklin D. Roosevelt. Question number 6. He was the greatest scientist and physicist of all time, had a learning disability in the early parts of his life. Till the age of 3, he could not speak and was severely dyslexic and autistic. His theory of relativity is said to be the most revolutionary theory of physics. Sixth answer is Albert Einstein. Chapter number 49, Gems of the World. Okay, so identify these famous personalities. Pick your answer from the clue box. The first question is, he dropped out of Harvard to set up a company called Microsoft in 1975, being the co-founder of Microsoft and the richest man in the world. He is also a philanthropist and is known for his charitable work in Africa, particularly his efforts to eradicate diseases such as polio. The first answer is 70. The answer is for this is Bill Gates. Second, he was the first black president of South Africa and was awarded with the Nobel Prize for his wisdom and courage in bringing people together to live in peace and harmony. The answer for this is Nelson Mandela. Question 3. She was a Roman Catholic nun from the Republic of the Macedon who adopted India as a country of service. She dedicated her life in the service of poor, ailing and the destitute through the missionaries of charities. The third answer is Mother Teresa. Question number 4. He is one of the unsung heroes of the tech world. The world owns him for seeding the very concept of the internet, on which every modern technology depends on. He came up with the idea of sharing information across the world through hypertext document. For answer 4th is Sir Tim Berners-Lee. Question number 5. He is regarded as the greatest batsman ever to play the game of cricket. The story that the young boy practiced alone with the cricket stump and the golf ball is part of Australian folklore. His career test batting average of 99.94 had been cited as the greatest achievement by any sportsman in any major sport. Answer for this is Sir Donald Bradman. Question number 6. She was a British nurse and a social reformer who became the most popular woman to ever work in the nursing profession. Also known as the Lady with the Lamp, she was instrumental in assisting injured British troops during the Crimean War of the early 19th century. She volunteered with other nurses to tend to the wounded soldiers at night using a lamp. Answer 6th is Florence Nightingale. Question number 7. He is considered as one of the most influential people of modern India. He was the chief disciple of the 19th century mystic Sri Ramakrishna Paramasana and the founder of Ramakrishna Mission. The answer 7th is Swami Vivekanand. Question number 8. He was a Greek philosopher and is considered the father of Western philosophy. Plato was his most famous student. He was an exceptional artist, and his statue of the Grace on road to the Acropolis is said to have been admired into the 2nd century CE. The answer is Socrates. Okay. Question number 9. He composed the national anthem of India and won the Nobel Prize for Literature. He was a multi-talented personality He was a Bengali poet, Brahmo Samaj philosopher, visual artist, playwright, novelist, painter, and a composer. The answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 10. He was regarded as one of the most brilliant theoretical physics in history. His physical illness could not make him stop his research. Though he was nearly paralyzed due to motor neuron disease, he thought through a computer-supported machine by which his words were compiled. Answer 10th is Stephen Hawking. Chapter number 15, Tribes Around the World. There are tribes around the world that live in the remote areas in the most primitive way. They don't eat, stay, wear clothes like us. They are very different from the rest of the society. Okay, so they are the second largest ethnic group in Mongolia. They use eagles for hunting. First answer is Kazakh. Second, they have polytheist beliefs and barter trade clothes, food, beads and cattle. Second answer is Hammer. Third, their settlement dates back to 500 BC. In their cultural dance in a very important part. Third answer is Vanuatu, that is Vanuatu. Fourth, they are reindeer herders and live in extreme conditions of 50 degrees. Fourth is Nennet. Fifth, they live like hippies because they relocate in every 5-6 weeks in order to feed their cattle. Fifth answer is Samburu. Sixth, their traditions are related to Buddhism. Some of them still believe that the world is flat. Sixth is Mustang. Seventh, they are found in the western region of India. Their women spend long hours doing embroidery. Seventh is Rabari. Eighth, they are ethnic groups from the mountain region of Nepal. They are regarded as skilled mountaineers and experts in the local area. So the answer is Sherpas. Okay. Chapter number 51, Nicknames. So match the names of these famous personalities with their nicknames. So names and there are nicknames. So we'll have to match them. Okay. The first is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Answer for this is Man of Peace. Question number 2, Rabindranath Tagore. Answer is Gurudev. Third, Joan of Arc. Third, answer is K. Maid of Orleans. Fourth, Napoleon Bonaparte. The fourth answer is Man of Destiny. Fifth, Lata Mangeshkar. Answer is Swar Kokila. Bhagat Singh, Sahib-e-Azam. William Shakespeare, C. The Bard of Avon. Eighth, Milkha Singh, Flying Sikh. Mother Teresa, Saint of the Gutters. Tipu Sultan, Tiger of Mysore. 11. Sachin Tendulkar, the Little Master. Last, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, that is Lokmanya Tilak. Okay. Chapter number 52. Famous women. So today women play a pivotal role in the society. Read about the following women who have done proud to their countries. The first musician ever to be awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor. The first is M.S. Subbulakshmi. Second is the world's first woman prime minister, that is Sirimavo Bandaranaike. Sirimavo Bandaranaike. Third is Margaret Thatcher, Britain's longest serving prime minister, and was nicknamed the Iron Lady. Fourth is Lata Mangeshkar has sung over 40,000 songs till date for Indian cinema in 20 Indian languages. Fifth question is Jane Austen, a famous British novelist. She was author of Emma, Mansfield Park, and Pride of Prejudice. Sixth is Bula Chaudhary, India's ace swimmer and the first woman to swim across 7 important sea channels. Seventh, Condoleezza Rice, the first woman to ever occupy the sensitive position of U.S. National Security Advisor. 8th, Kiran Mazumdar Shaw, one of India's most outstanding businesswomen. She is the founder chairperson of Bengaluru based biotech firm Biocon. The 9th is Florence Nightingale, English nurse known as the Lady with the Lamp Nightingale Home for Nurse, founded in her memory. 10th answer is Arundhati Roy, internationally renowned and best-selling celebrity author, a book prize winner, the god of small things. The chapter number 53, what is common to? So there is something common to each group of personalities given below. Identify the common elements in each case. The first is Vincent van Gogh, Raphael and Michelangelo, that is they are painters. Second, Pandit Jalsraj, Bhimsen Joshi, Begum Akhtar. The second answer is Indian musician. Third is Vikram Sarabhai, Homi Jahangir, Baba Meghnad Shah. The third answer is Indian scientist. Fourth is Birju Maharaj, Mrinalini Sarabhai and Uday Shankar. The fourth is Indian dancers. Fifth, T.S. Eliot, Leo Tolstoy, William Wordsworth. The fifth answer is poets. Then sixth, Benazir Bhutto, Margaret Thatcher, Aung San Suu Kyi. The sixth answer is women leaders. Seventh, Elizabeth Fry, Desmond Tutu and Vinoba Bhave. The seventh answer is social reformers. Eighth, Marilyn Monroe, Catherine Hepburn and Nicole Kidman. 8th is Hollywood actresses. 9th, Carl Lewis, Jess Owens and Michael Johnson. 9th is athletes. 10th, Shyam Bengal, Akira Kurosawa and Meera Nair. 10th is directors. 11th, Elton John, Madonna and Elvis Presley, that is singers. The chapter number 54, Secrets Inside. The planet's best known structures hide an awful lot of secrets. Read about these structures and name them with the help of a clue box. The first is, it is one of the most famous structures in the world and has welcomed over 300 million visitors since it opened in 1889. Most visitors don't know that the famous tower is home to a small apartment. The first answer is Eiffel Tower. Second, inside the imposing structure lie the cenotaphs of the king and queen. However, what many people don't know is that these are false tombs. The real tomb lie beneath and garden level and are off limits to public. Second answer is Taj Mahal. Third, it is one of the USA's most recognizable sites with the 60 feet tall faces of 4 legendary American presidents carved into granite. The famous faces conceal a secret hidden behind the president. Abraham Lincoln's face is a secret chamber, the Hall of Records. It was home to important documents in American history. The third answer is Mount Rushmore National Memorial. Fourth, this is one of the world's largest mosque. The grand structure can accommodate more than 40,000 worshippers and is also home to the number of 24-karat gold gilded chandeliers. Here you can find the world's largest handmade carpet, which took 1,200 women 2 years to make. It weighs 35 tons and measures 5,627 square meters. The fourth answer is Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. Fifth answer question is, it is the world's tallest building for now and is staggering 2,717 feet tall and holds world record for the tallest man-made structure in the world. What many people don't know is that the record-breaking building is also home to a private library. Answer for this is Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa. Now hashtag Q&A Express. The first question is, tapas and paella are dishes that originated in which country? The first answer is Spain. Second, after which famous person was the teddy bear named? That is Theodore Roosevelt. Third question, who painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel? The third answer is Michelangelo. Okay. Fourth, what is the Japanese word for harbor wave? That is tsunami. That is tsunami. Which is the only city in the world to be located in 2 continents, Asia and Europe? That is Istanbul. That is Istanbul. Then question number 6. What is the name of the world's largest reef system? Sixth answer is Great Barrier Reef. Seventh, which country recently started the world's first dengue immunization program? Seventh is Philippines. Question number 8. Name the theatre in London which is now a museum and is associated with Shakespeare. Answer number 8 is Globe. Question number 9. Her real name is Barbara Millicent and she is most famous among young baby girls. How do we know her better? Ninth answer is Barbie doll. 10th is, which was the first country in the world to allow women to vote? That is New Zealand.